Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PS4 DLC or add-ons when they're installed, but they're not appearing in your game. So there's a couple of different things that we can try. So the first thing we want to do is go on over to settings, go to account management, and then make sure your PS4 is activated as primary, and this will share PlayStation Plus and your games to every other account on your PS4, but you can also play your games offline. So maybe you lost your internet connection for some reason. And then also go to restore licenses. If you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be an issue with the licenses for your content. So this could be directly related to your DLC that you bought. And another thing that you could try is if you sign out and then sign back in with your email and address and password, that could update your profile to the PlayStation servers. So maybe there's an account issue where it's not synced, and that could fix that issue as well. Now to find your DLC, and you can try just re-downloading them again, go to the library, go to purchased, then go to the right, and let's find a game. So if you look at the games right here, none of these games have DLCs, except this one. This one has one DLC, but just look right here, you can find all the different add-ons for it. So Battlefield 15, or Battlefield 4 has 15 of them. So let's go to Battlefield 4, and then select this. Then on the left side, if we scroll down to the PlayStation Store, then go to the right, you can see my add-ons. Let's go to the top right here. And these are the ones I already purchased. And I can just go to them now, and I can download them back to my PlayStation. So this one is a bunch of map packs and stuff for Battlefield. A lot of different map packs. I must have bought like 5 or 6 of them. China Rising, Second Assault. So I can just go to this option, and you can see it's downloading. It's added to my downloads folder. And also, you should probably check out your downloads folder just to make sure it is downloading. Maybe it's a huge download and it's not actually installed yet. So that's why it's not appearing in the game. Or you might have to close out your game and then restart it. So if you want to buy a new DLC for that game, you can just go to View All under this section. And you can go to the PlayStation Store and purchase this so you can see everything under here. So like I said before, if we go back to the home screen now, go up to the top, go to notifications, and you can see it downloading. So maybe that's why it's not installed. You can just pause this and then resume it. It should download a little bit quicker. And then make sure you close the game first before you try playing your DLC. So press options on it, close the game, or even just restart your PlayStation 4. And that will close all the applications too. And then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.